Hello YouTube, I'm back again. I want to talk about surviving in the cities and forming communities after the shit hit the fan situation. Alright, see, one thing we got to realize is that we don't know what the problem is going to be. I mean, we don't know what caused the collapse. We don't know whether it was financial, pandemic, invasion from another country, or invasion from space or anything. All we know is that we gotta survive. We gotta bug in. We got our supplies. We got our houses. Me personally, we got our houses fortified. We got our windows and doors covered. We got our food put away. We got our weapons locked and loaded, and we're ready for anything that might come, no matter what. All right. Now, the problem is how long. See, I'm not worrying about being prepared and bugging in, because that's a given. I mean, you're gonna have to bug in. You don't want to be wandering the streets with whatever's going on out there with the death squads, marauders, uh, fake police, fake soldiers, and all of them that's gonna be out there in the streets wandering around looking for people that could kill. But no, I'm gonna be right here, secured, bugged in, defending mines. Okay, me and my group. So like I was saying, so what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to figure out after it's been like 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 weeks, might be even longer, might be 8, 9, 10 months. It depends what's gonna go on. Because I figured, I mean, it's not scientific. I know everybody's gonna try to leave the city, which is all right for me. I don't mind. They can go. I mean, but the problem is when they leave the cities, where they going? They're going to the rural areas, and all the people that's out there in these rural areas that bugged in, they got 6 or 7, 8 years worth of supplies. I pity you guys, cause they're coming for you. I mean, these people that's not prepared and got 3 days worth of food in a bug out bag, where they gonna get the other food from? They're gonna get it from you at your bug out spot. So be prepared, be ready, and trust no one. I mean, you might want to give them something, but don't trust them. I mean, because whatever you got, they don't have. So I'm not trying to say that people are bad, but you know what people will do if they're starving. Okay, and I want to talk about basically trying to bring back uh, the community after everything went bad. I don't look at us as going back to the Stone Age. I don't even look at us as going back to the medieval times. I'm looking at us going back to maybe around like we were the turn of the century. You know, when we just started with the electricity and all that stuff. Well, we already got the knowledge. We just gonna have to start all over again, not from scratch. All you need is a few people, carpenters, doctors, people that got knowledge. We got books. I mean, as long as you can read, I mean, everybody didn't pack away internet stuff. I know people like me packed away how to do books, because you're gonna need to know how to do things, even if you don't know what to do. You need to get books to tell you how to do it. They got encyclopedia sets all out there. You can get some. Okay, but I'm just saying that you got to prepare to be prepared to survive after you bugged in. You got to be ready to come out and deal with whoever's in charge. You got to be able to get allies, to form up and start new communities. I mean, it's gonna be good for everybody. I'm always saying that. I mean, it's gonna be people that's gonna try to disrupt the communities. It's gonna be people that try to take over the communities, but you're gonna still have to form societies, because that's what people do. That's our strength. Our strength is in unity. You know, we as human beings, that's what we do. We form communities. I mean, nobody wants to live alone out on a farm way out somewhere. I mean, first of all, people gotta get together, because you gotta bring the human race back together again. So that means it's gonna be mating, and you don't want to mate within your own family. I mean, I don't even want to think about that. But anyway, I'm just saying, be ready. Have a plan that after things go bad, that when the recovery start, to find out what is going on, who's in charge, and what do you need to do as a group or as an individual to get back together to help form society again. Alright then, thank you, YouTube. I don't have too much to say today. It's February and it's cold.